Having a look outside and seeing that it's snowing, I thought today's going to be a very great work day. But first, tea.
It's been a while since I really got into the things I wanted to create. For a while, I've been trying to create this one particular shirt that I've been seeing all over social media. But for the likes of me, no matter how much I tried, it just wasn't happening. Last week, I attempted to do it. However, my sublimation machine wasn't working. My Cricut wasn't working. But I think I resolved the issue. So this week, we're about to get into it. So let's go and see if it works out.